Hindi naman ako nakalala sa mga maraming supporters sa fans clubs before.
Love you, Alden!
Pakiramdam ko. Yung mga taong gusto na masayahin, yung mga taong gusto na pagkailangan ng kirahin, yung mga ginagawa nyo, is nakikita ko materially and visually and support me. So napakasarap sa pakiramdam. Baliwala lahat ng pagod, lahat ng stress, kasi kapag nakikita mo na ganyan yung mga taong nasa harapan mo ngayon. So, as long as all of you are here, now Alden Philippines is, you're now family. Hindi na kayo iba sa akin ngayon. Thank you. And looking forward to good things and purposeful things that we'll do together as one fans club, as one family. And who knows, all of us, pero as a family, and I really encourage a good heart from all of you. Kung meron lang kayong nakikita negativity outside or inside the group, you just let us know or let everything know. But ako, I really tolerate not for you guys to answer back to negative people.
Yes!